Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily see who has read your broadcast message on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your broadcast. This will open up the list of contacts who received your message. Step 3. Now, select the specific message that you want to check the read status for. Step 4. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the options, select Info. This will provide you with detailed information about your broadcast message, including who has read it. And there you have it. You can now easily see who has read your broadcast message on WhatsApp. It's a great way to keep track of your messages and ensure that your important updates are being seen. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.